Alright guys, I'm going to run you through changing these brushes on the safety speed motor. For those that are asking, these are the replacement brushes. At Lowe's you could purchase them, $15. Okay, 95 111 951 11. Brush and cap assembly here. Okay, they also carry this lubricant. Okay, this is what you use for these motors. You can also use 80 weight. Okay, I purchased these service tags from Grainger, so when I service the motors, you know, put your name and date and whatnot on there, slap it on there, it doesn't hurt. Always lock out, tag out. Okay, if you can't lock out the panel, lock out the plug from the motor. Blades, replacement blades from Grainger, instead of the manufacturer. Manufacturer blades cost $169. These ones less than $30. You get a 3-pack at Grainger. All the part numbers and everything, I'm gonna put them in the description below, okay, so you guys can check it out. And these are also the sliders. Okay, these are new sliders that I had purchased for another job. Anyways, so the sliders they take dry lube, only dry lube. Okay, these are nylon gaskets, keep them nice and clean from debris, from you know, dust. That's why I always use a duster can for a lot of things. Okay, this is the main one I like using because it has this little tip. What else? Let's see. So also I got never mind. I got a parts list right here, and it's a breakdown to parts and prices. Okay, anyways, so it's pretty simple, guys, changing these brushes. Check it out. And of course, lock out, tag out, please, before you change these brushes. Okay, because you will get zapped. Somehow it stores a little bit of energy here. So there you go. You removed your brush cap. Okay, pops that off, and then you remove your brush out. You slide it out. Okay, fortunately this one's pretty nice and good shape, and that's how I figured that this was a bad unit. I put new brushes, I've put new some oil, and still had an internal sound that was real bad, and that's how I figured it was a bad motor. I also tested it, you know, the volts weren't there. Let's see. Anyways, so yeah, basically that's all you do is get your new brush assembly. Okay, slide. Oh, first, very important, get your dust can. Okay, it's hard working, recording and doing this with one hand. Maybe you guys could pitch in and help me buy a camera. All right, so safety glasses and stuff, because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna have broken your brush assembly. It's gonna be all broken and crumbled inside of the cavity here. Okay, brush, you blow it out a couple times. Okay, boom, said and done. Slap your nice brush in there, your brand new brush. Okay, and you want to make sure you get it nice and where everything belongs. Okay, again, you guys get the point. It's hard to do it with one hand, but there you go. Look, slide it in, push all the way back. Okay, and of course then you get your cap. As you push, you slide your cap right in front and start screwing it by hand, you know, with your finger. And then at the very end, okay, just like this, you know, you get it in. Of course, the brush in there. Do it by hand tight with your finger. Then you get your flathead. Okay, again, just hand tight. There's no need for all tight, you know, pressure tightening. Just snug, and then one little turn over that. Okay, and then that's done. And then sorry, from the airplane. When the unit is assembled on the frame and whatnot, okay? Remember, guys, it's on a swivel, right? So with that being said, you're gonna be able to get the motor and turn it sideways. The reason why I say that is for this reason here, okay? You got your oil screw here. You remove this. Manufacturer states that oil level for their motors is supposed to be at the threads. So if you remove this and you don't see your oil level at the threads, that means it's very low, okay? So this is what you do. You buy your oil, okay? Your warm, dry, solid lubricant. Cut the top, and of course, you know, whatever, get your little rag and just fill her up, and you want to fill her up to the threads. Put your cap back on, snug it, snug over, and you're basically done with almost the PM of the safety speed panel saw here. Flip it back over. Okay, one more thing. This right here this is the lock for the blade. For those that probably haven't been there yet, you push this up, it locks the blade and gives you the opportunity to remove the blade. Okay, I learned the hard way where I didn't, you know, I was just trying to hurry up and do it, take the blade off. I put, you know, something underneath the blade, tension under the blade, you know, with like a rubber, something like a rubber, and that's how I was doing it until I did my little homework on it and whatnot. But yeah, it's simple, but those are things we got to know and we got to do. Check your cords, make sure they're not all messed up like this. If so, then you're gonna have to replace the, you know, put a new cord, wire it up inside of here. Pretty simple. At Lowe's they sell replacement cords, because I already did replace a couple of them. And here's just what they look like. Lowe's sells them for like $20. Okay, this is just like this. It's a skill saw with the ground. Okay. So guys, yeah. So that way, okay, you got your oil, your lock. Flip it back up. You know, you put your new blade. Remember, guys, blade, if for those that don't have the sticker that has a rotation of the blade, sometimes they're removed, they're off, scratched off or whatnot. Okay, one will probably think it goes this way, right? Well, it doesn't. Okay, it goes this way, teeth facing the unit. Okay, just remember that. This is the way blade goes per manufacturer. Alrighty, guys. Again, all the comments, all the part numbers and whatnot, I'm gonna put them in the description below on this video. Alrighty. Alright, guys. Talk to you later.